In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy your website on Godaddy in just 5 minutes. Navigating the digital landscape can be daunting, especially when it comes to launching your website. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a beginner, this step-by-step guide will help simplify the process for you. Today, we're focusing on Godaddy, one of the most popular web hosting platforms known for its user-friendly interface and robust service offerings. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is sign in to your Godaddy account. Head over to the Godaddy website and locate the Sign In button. It's usually found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will open a new page where you're prompted to enter your login details. Next, it's time to enter your username and password. Make sure you type them correctly to avoid any access issues. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's an option to reset it on the same page. Following the prompts provided by Godaddy can help you retrieve or reset your password in no time. Once your credentials are entered, click on the Sign In button to access your account dashboard. This dashboard is your control room where you can manage your domains, hosting plans, and website settings. Now let's move on to your website. Look for the website option from the dashboard or the navigation menu. This section houses all the tools you need to configure, edit, and monitor your website. Clicking on this option will take you directly to the management area for your site. To make changes to your site, such as updating content, changing the layout, or adding new pages, you need to click on the Edit Website button. This is where you bring your creativity to life. The editor is intuitive, with drag and drop features making it easy for anyone to design and customize their website without needing to know how to code. After making all the necessary changes and ensuring your website looks exactly how you want it, it's time for the final step, publishing. Look for the Publish button. This step is crucial because until you hit publish, all the changes you've made will remain offline and invisible to your audience. It's the moment where your website goes live for the world to see. Now you'll find that the Publish button might bring up a prompt asking for a final confirmation or alerting you about any unpublished changes. It's always a good idea to double check your work. Make sure that everything is in order from the text on your home page to the images on your contact page. Remember, once published, your changes are live. Keep in mind, after publishing, it might take a few minutes for the updates to reflect across all servers worldwide. So if you don't see the changes immediately, don't panic. Sometimes it may also help to clear your browser's cache to see the most recent version of your site. And that's it, you've successfully deployed your website on Godaddy. This process, from start to finish, is designed to be straightforward, eliminating the technical barriers that might otherwise deter you from getting your website out there. But before we wrap up, here are a few additional tips to ensure your website performs well and remains secure. 1. Regularly update your website's content. This keeps your site fresh and engaging for visitors. 2. Optimize your website for search engines. Utilize keywords, meta tags, and descriptions to improve your site's visibility. 3. Keep an eye on your website's security. Godaddy offers various security features such as SSL certificates to protect your site and your visitors' data. Deploying your website is just the beginning. The digital landscape is always changing, and staying informed about the latest trends and technologies will help you maintain and grow your online presence. Thank you for following along with this guide on deploying your website on Godaddy. Whether you're looking to create a personal blog, a portfolio, or an e-commerce site, the steps we've covered today will help you achieve a successful launch. Remember, the journey of creating and maintaining a website is ongoing. There's always something new to learn, something more to add, and excitingly, endless possibilities to explore. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more tutorials like this. Have any questions or tips of your own? Feel free to share them in the comments below. Happy website building!